Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 6.3, fourth and fifth problem. Clear? Now, fourth problem. In the figure, QR, where is QR? QR divided by QS. QR divided by QS and is equal to QT divided by PR. That is this side. PR. Clear all of you? That is given. QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. You have to show that triangle PQS. This triangle PQS. Yes. This triangle similar to TQR. TQR. For whole triangle TQR. Clear? You have to prove that the two triangles are similar. What are all ways we can prove it is similar? By AAA criterion, or otherwise SSS criterion, similarity criterion, or otherwise SAS. In this three similarity criterion, we can prove that the two triangles are similar. So which one can apply here? First you have to choose that one. Here they said from the given only you have to see which similarity criterion we can use. They said angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So one angle, they said for one angle only. Okay. So we can't choose this one. Because yes, similarity criterion, all the sides are in same proportion. So we can't use, they said one angle is equal. So I'm going to choose this one, or I have to choose this one. I can't choose this one because they said one angle only equal, not all the three angles. So I can't choose this one also. So I'm going to choose SAS. SAS. We have to think about it, how we can prove. So one angle, we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, equal. Yes. We have to prove that the sides are in same ratio. They have given another thing, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. So from this only we have to tell if we proved that the sides are in same ratio. If we prove that the sides of these two triangles are in same ratio, then we can conclude that the two triangles are similar. Here, but in the given, they said that PR, this is not related to the triangles we have to prove. Clear? So we have to change this alone. What we have to prove is QT and PR. I want this side. How I can change to PR to PQ? That only I am going to explain. Okay, listen carefully. First, what you have to write? Given. What is given in the question? QR divided by QS, QT divided by PR. And the another one is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Two things is given in the question. Next, to prove that the triangle PQS similar to the triangle TQR. Then proof. First, what is given? First given is QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. This is given. Then second given is, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, I can tell the sides opposite to the equal angles. Sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. So angle 1 opposite side is PR. Angle 2 opposite side is PQ. So I can tell that PR is equal to PQ. Clear? We studied in 9th standard that sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. So PQ is equal to PR. Sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Okay, so now I'm going to substitute PQ instead of PR in the first given. I'm going to substitute. It implies substitute PQ is equal to PR. This I'm going to substitute. Clear? In the first given, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PQ. This one thing I substituted. Okay. Next thing is reciprocal it. Reciprocal it. Then what you will get? QS divided by QR, PQ divided by QT. QS divided by QR and PQ divided by QT. Why I reciprocal it? Can I tell the easy way to identify that we have to reciprocal or not? Okay. Here QR, we have QR. See the proof, to prove that PQ, yes only we have. We don't have R itself. We can take the first triangle PQS. There is no point, no vertex R in the first triangle. We have R in the second triangle only. And QT also denote in the second triangle. So we have to reciprocal it. Here we have QS. In the first triangle also we have QS. Yes, we have. And PQ. Here we have PQ. Clear? See the denominator. See the denominator. QR. QR. Yes, we have QR here. And QT. Yes, we have QT in the second triangle. So what you have to check? You have to check whether QS in the first triangle or not and PQ in first triangle or not. And you have to check QR and QT must be in the second triangle. Then only we can tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Clear all of it? That's why I reciprocaled it. Clear? You can ask why we have to reciprocal. Straight away we can write the answer. No, we should not write like that. So numerator have to denote the first triangle and denominator have to denote the second triangle side. Clear all of you? Now QS divided by QR, PQ divided by QT. So the sides, two sides are in same proportion. Two sides are in same proportion. Now we said that the two sides are in same ratio. Now I'm going to take the triangle. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR, QS divided by QR is equal to PQ divided by QT. The two sides are in same ratio or in same ratio. And another one is what angle? Angle 1 is common in the triangle TQR and PQS. In both the triangles, angle 1 is common. Angle 1 is common. Angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Clear? Common. So, the two sides are in same ratio and one angle is equal. Now, we can conclude that triangle PQS similar to the triangle TQR by SAS criterion of similarity. Clear all of you? Is there any doubt, Kana? So first you have to identify that which similarity criterion you have to use to prove this theorem and then proceed based on the similarity criterion. Thank you. Next, fifth problem in exercise 6.3. S and T are points. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of a triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. RTS, and show that a triangle RPQ, that is full triangle, and RTS, this triangle. You have to prove that these two triangles are similar. How we can prove these two triangles are similar? By the following similarity criterion, that is SAS or AAA, or otherwise AA criterion also we can use. If the two angles of the triangles are equal, means third angle obviously equal. So we can, if we said that the two angles of the triangles are equal, means we can tell that the two triangles are similar by using the similarity AA. Clear? And then SAS. So first I am going to write given which one we have to choose, that we are going to see first. Given S and T are points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. To prove that triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. And then proof. First take the two triangle. In triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. And first you should not write similar. First you have to take the two triangles and then only you have to prove that it is similar. Clear? First you have to take the two triangles and then what is given? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. It is given in the question. And one more angle we have to tell it is equal. So which one is equal, Kana? So first angle is PQR, orange color angle, and next one is RTS. In these two triangles, which angle is equal? Which angle is common? Angle R. Angle R is common in both the triangles. PQR, in that we have angle R, and RTS, in that triangle also we have angle R. So angle R is equal to angle R, that is common. So now we can tell that the triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS by AA criterion of similarity. Clear all of you? Thank you.